Hello, Math 7. So today we've got quiz section 12.5 and 12.6. Yes, they are two different quizzes. So I'm not going to have notes for 12.6. Check out 12.5 for the notes, and the only difference is it's multiplication and division. I am going to have two different notes, two different videos, one for 12.5. I'll stop the video, upload it, then do 12.6 separately, because that'll probably help you guys out so you could follow along. So for this one, it's addition and subtraction. I'll do probably just 3 different problems. The first 4, determine whether the given value is a solution to the equation. What I'm looking for is yes or no. So you can't just put yes, 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 yes. Show me the work. Number 2 is probably the hardest one, so I'll do that. So we have 3d squared plus 4 equals 10. Now we're given the value of d equals 2, so I'm going to substitute this in for d and solve. So this is going to be 2 squared plus 4 equals 10. Now again, I didn't write d because I have a value for d, that's 2. Now I'm going to solve. So again, my order of operations is 2 squared, so that's 3 times 2 squared is 4. Now this is multiplication. 3 times 4 is, let's see, I'm going to have to, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 4 equals 10. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 does not equal 10. So the answer is no. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps for each of these problems. I think you guys have got it. You'll be able to do that, no problem. Moving right along, we're going to solve each equation. So at the end of these, we're going to have our variable. So for this one, it's going to be h equals a number. So on and so forth. Why don't I'll do numbers 5 and maybe 5 and 8. Okay. So I want h to be all by itself. Well, right now it's connected to 3. Well, how do I eliminate 3? Well, I do the opposite the inverse operation. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract this value, but what I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. That's going to leave me with h equals 12. Okay. I'm going to do number 8 now. So again, my variable's on this side of the equation, but I also I'm adding negative 1. Well, how do I get rid of negative 1? I'm going to add 1. What I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other. So that's going to leave me with r plus 0. Well, I don't really need to write that. Equals 47. So I know that r equals 47. Now, it's written 47 equals r. This is one of those changing order type of things that you could do in math. Now, either way you write this is going to be correct. So just make sure that you show your work. And typically, the standard form is that you'll see our variable equals the number. That's usually how you're going to see it, right? That's how we see it all the way up here. That's just how mathematicians write things. But if you write it this way, that's still correct. The math is still there, right? The numbers match up. Okay. For these, we need to write the equation and then solve. Why don't I do number 9? Okay, so again, I'm going to just come through for each word, 14. More is addition. Than is where we switch our numbers. A number, let's choose x. Ooh, is the equal sign is 37. So I probably should have come through and circled my equal sign first. And if you choose a different variable, a different letter for a number, that's fine. Okay, so I know addition is my operation, but I'm switching the order of x and 14. So x plus 14 equals 37. Well, now I need to solve. Well, x is over here, so I know it's going to be x equals. But in order to get rid of 14, it's being added, so I need to subtract 14. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. Minus 14. What's 37 minus 14? 23. So that's going to give me x equals 23. All right, guys, hope this helps. Again, I'll come out with another video for 12.6. And otherwise, know that I love you. Bye.